Oh shit, bitch! God damn! Go! Go, go, go! Shit! Fuck! Ito na lang yung empty shit. Yes. Bakit? Pasa. Anything else? Anything else? Wait lang. Wait lang. 30, 10, 50. 30, 10, 50. Picture that shit. Kailangan kong patayin to. Meron siyang weapon eh. You gotta die, my boy. You gotta die, my boy. Pero ang dami nyo ah. Okay, got it. Hunting knife, pero a little worn out siya. Wala akong space. Kailangan ko i-sacrifice ng coin. Bakit? Wala, dumaan muna akong parlor. Okay. Tangin na yun. Sana makuha ko yung weapon. Bawal ko makuha yan. Uy, gagi ka! Ikaw yung nananaksak eh. One shot to eh. Ay! Kamaw. Meron akong shitting bala para sa'yo. Wait lang. Shit, wala na naman akong space. Pasensya na, kailangan ko eh. Nakita mo pa akong hype pa. Come on. Diba? Melee attack. Oh shit. Pussy all out. Ganto. Ano? Pause na? Wala, hindi ko kailangan yan. Puno yung inventory ko. Exposed with loud noises. I know that. Alam ko yun eh. Kaya nagka-crouch ako dun sa bulag eh. What area? Corrosive glass bottle of strong. Lakas ng ulan! Nababasa ako. Itong sturdy lock, ito yun eh. Oh shit! Takin na mo. Dito ka pala.
Miss Ashcroft. Come in. I won't harm you.
You won't harm me, but I'll
was just
fuck
looking
you
for
up,
Dr.
boy,
Richardson.
pussy.
Why did you kidnap me?
Kidnap you. I liberated you.
Ay, liberation?
Oh, forgive me. Dr. Victor
Gideon.
Gideon.
Fuck.
I run this center. It took forever to find you. You're not like other people, you know.
Shut up.
You're quite unique. Through you, Elpis can finally be set free.
Si M, please?
Why me?
M, please lang?
Because my master made you who you are.
Sino amo mo?
Ah, Phase 2's about to begin.
Phase 2. Ano yung phase 3? Phase 2 is about to begin. Oh, herpes!
Would you like to see what's hidden under the hood?
Run, ho!
Wait!
Would you like to see under the hood though? This motherfucker freaky!
Grace!
Freaky freak!
Grace! There's no escaping your destiny.
Nice grills. Florida boy. Florida boy. Come on. Loud ass grunts. Let's go.